Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of hair care, and trust me, this one's going to be amazing. We're talking about transforming your hair with the power of natural oils. We all dream of having that luscious, healthy, and vibrant hair, right? I'm going to share my personal DIY hair oil recipe that combines the best of nature's offerings to give you incredible results. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret to gorgeous hair, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also on a hair care journey. First up, we have coconut oil. Oh my god, you guys. Coconut oil is like a miracle worker for your hair. It's been used for centuries in so many cultures, and for good reason. It's like giving your hair a big drink of water, you know? Coconut oil is known for its deep conditioning properties. It has this amazing ability to penetrate deep into your hair shaft, which is where all the magic happens. What this does is it helps to prevent protein loss, making your strands stronger and healthier from the inside out. And you know what that means? Less breakage, fewer split ends, and just overall stronger, healthier looking hair. Trust me, once you start using coconut oil in your hair care routine, you'll never go back. It's like giving your hair a protective shield against all the damage we put it through every day. Next, let's talk about castor oil. You guys have probably heard about this one too, right? Castor oil is like the holy grail for hair growth. It's thicker than coconut oil and has a slightly sticky texture. But don't let that scare you away. This stuff is packed with ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which are basically like superheroes for your scalp. They help to increase blood circulation to your scalp, which is super important for delivering all the nutrients your hair needs to grow long and strong. And let me tell you, when your scalp is happy and healthy, your hair will be too. So if you're struggling with hair loss or just want to give your hair a growth boost, castor oil is your new best friend. Remember, consistency is key. Use it regularly and you'll start to see amazing results. Now, let's move on to another all-star ingredient, olive oil. You know how much I love using natural ingredients in my beauty routine, and olive oil is definitely a staple. It's not just for cooking, my friends. Olive oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin E that are so nourishing for your scalp and hair. These antioxidants help to protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals, you know, those pesky things that can lead to premature aging and dullness. Plus, the vitamins in olive oil help to strengthen your hair follicles, which can help to prevent hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. It's like giving your hair a big dose of vitamins from the inside out. I love using olive oil as a hair mask or even just a few drops as a serum to tame frizz and add shine. Aloe vera, guys, aloe vera. If you're not already using aloe vera in your beauty routine, you're missing out. This plant is a true miracle worker, and it's especially amazing for your scalp. It has these incredible soothing properties that can calm irritation and inflammation. But that's not all. Aloe vera also contains proteolytic enzymes. Okay, I know that sounds kind of scary, but trust me, they're actually really good for your hair. These enzymes help to break down dead skin cells on your scalp, which can clog your hair follicles and prevent growth. By removing these dead skin cells, aloe vera helps to create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. And it can also help to prevent itching and dandruff. It's like hitting the refresh button on your scalp. I love adding fresh aloe vera gel to my hair masks, or even just massaging it directly into my scalp after shampooing. Last but not least, let's talk about rosemary essential oil. This is one of my favorite essential oils for hair care because it has so many benefits. Rosemary oil is known for its ability to improve cellular generation, which basically means it helps to promote hair growth and prevent thinning. It's also amazing for preventing premature graying, which is something I'm always trying to avoid. And if you struggle with dandruff, rosemary oil can help with that too. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to balance your scalp and keep dandruff at bay. Just a couple of drops added to your hair oil mixture is all you need to reap its amazing benefits. And there you have it, my loves. The ultimate DIY natural hair oil recipe for gorgeous, healthy hair. I'm so excited for you guys to try this out and see the amazing results for yourselves. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends? Everyone deserves to have amazing hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!